Good evening, everyone. I'm Hashanna Nayakar. Today, our lesson is simple equation. First of all, let us recall and remember what we've done so far. Okay, so far we learned algebraic expressions, how to substitute values, and today we have to do is how to make an algebraic expression given with a certain figure. Okay, so suppose there's a value given. For an example, if it is a equals 7 and you are to find 2a. Okay, same as if an algebraic expression given such as 2x minus 3, and for that particular expression there's a value given such as 45, and you want to find x, or we can say suppose y minus 3 is 10 and we want to find the value of y. So such examples where there's an equation, we call them simple equation. For an example, maybe 3t equals 30. There's an unknown value and we want to find the unknown value. Before that we have to make a simple equation. So these are what we call simple equation, where left hand side is equal to right hand side and one of the side is given an unknown term. And also, if there's a value of a certain expression such as p minus 7, okay, or 2p minus 7 is also equal to another algebraic expression. For an example, p plus 8. Okay, if a value of a certain algebraic expression is equal to another algebraic expression with the same value, we can equalize those two algebraic expressions as well. So there are such equations as well. And this simple equation, the index must be 1. Okay, that means if it is x, it is x. If it is 1, p to the power 1 means p. It can't be x squared, x cubed, or x to the power 2, x to the power 3. Simple equation can't be like that. There must be power must be 1 always. Okay. First of all, we will try to make simple equations. Our first example. First example, Arnold has X mangoes. He bought another 12 mangoes. If the number of mangoes he now has is 112. Write an equation 112 to indicate above information write an equation. Okay. Arnold had X mangoes. Okay. Number of mangoes now Arnold has in terms of X. Okay. Okay, now we know Arnold has X mangoes. He bought another 12 mangoes. That means at the moment he has number of mangoes increased by 12 than X. Increased by 12 than X. Increased by 12. Increasing 12 than X. So we have to add 12 to X. Okay. If it is increased, okay, by 12, then next means we have to add 12 to X. And also it is said number of mangoes, it is given as well. Number of mangoes given in figures is equal to 112. So we can write an equation. Okay, X plus 12 is also the number of mangoes Arnold has right now. And also it is said the number of mangoes Arnold has is 112. So we can say X plus 12 is equal to 112. In terms of X, the number of mangoes Arnold has is X plus 12. And it is given in figures. The number of mangoes Arnold has also equal to 112. So we can say X plus 12 is equal to 112. Okay, let me give you another example to clarify it further. The price of a book is reduced by 10 rupees. The new price of the book is 40 rupees. Let us explain this by an equation. Okay, let me take the price of the previous price of the book as P rupees. Okay, the price of a book is reduced by 10. So before the deduction, we take the price of the book as P rupees. After the deduction, the new price of the book in terms of P equals 10 rupees less. 10 rupees less means you have to subtract 10 from P. Reduced by 10 means you have to subtract. You have to reduce by 10 means you have to subtract 10 from P. And it is also said the new price in figures. Okay, new price of the book in figures is also given, that is 40 rupees. After the deduction, the new price of the book in terms of P means P minus 10. Why? The price of the book is reduced by 10 and I took the price of the previous price of the book as P. So new price means reduced by 10 means you have to subtract 10 from P. And the new price is also given in figures, that is 40. So we can say P minus 10 is equal to 40. This is the equation. Okay. In terms of P, this is the new price. In terms of figures, this is the value. So P minus 10 is equal to 40. Next example. There are T boys in a row. There are 10 such rows. The number of boys in all 10 rows is 100. The number of boys in all 10 rows is 100. Write down an equation of the above details, above information. the number of boys in a row in terms of t. In terms of t, the number of boys in a row is t. The number of boys in 10 rows in terms of t means 10 times t. In a row it is t. In 10 such rows means in a row t, in 10 such rows means 10 times t, which is equal to 10t. And it is also said the number of boys in all 10 rows also equal to 100. So we can say 10t is equal to 100. Why? Because the number of boys in all 10 rows in terms of t means 10t. In terms of figures means 100. So we can say in terms of t is equal to in terms of figure. In terms of t is equal to the given figure. So we can say 10t equals 100. That is the third example. Next. Final example. Okay, let me give you 10 seconds. Okay, fourth or the last. A boy is t years old. A boy is t years old. His father is three times older as him. His mother is younger by 2 than the father. His mother's age is also given as 46. Write an equation for the age of his mother. Okay, a boy is t years old. So his father's age means his father's age is 3 times of the boy. Boy's age is t. His father's age means 3 times of it. That means you have to multiply t by 3. A boy is t years old. His father is 3 times older as him. Okay, his father is 3 terms as older as him. So we can write his father's age as 3t. And his mother's age. It is said his mother's age is 2 less than his father's age. 2 less than his father. Younger by 2 than the father means you have to subtract 2 from father's age. Father age is 3t. Okay. So mother's age is 3t minus 2 in terms of t. Okay. Boy's age is T. Father's age is 3 times T because his age is thrice as old as this boy, and his mother's age is 2 less by 2 than father's age. Father is 3T, so less by 2 means you have to subtract 2 from 3T. And mother's age is also given in figures. Mother's age in figures is also equal to 46. Okay, his mother's age is also given as 46. So his mother's age in figures means 46. So we can say in terms of her age is 3T minus 2. In terms of the figures means 46. So 3T minus 2, the expression given in T is equal to 46. This is in terms of T, her age in terms of T, this is her age in figures. So 3T minus 2 equals 46. That's it for today. Thank you.